Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm glad that you clicked on this video and I hope you watch it until the end.
We're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
On today's video, I'll be sharing what we eat in a day, starting from breakfast, lunch and dinner. For breakfast, I prepared potatoes, sausages and toasted bread.
Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
I had my breakfast with black tea and the rest of the family had it with white tea. For lunch, I had leftover cabbages that we had eaten the previous night, so I just had to prepare ugali, then heat the leftover cabbages. For dinner, we had rice, chicken, and veggies. I started off by washing the chicken thoroughly with vinegar, then I rinsed it and added my choice of spices. I boiled it till the water was dry, then I let it brown to my liking. For the veggies, I did not show while cooking because I have another video showing how I cook them. I washed the rice and cooked it in the ratio of 1:2, added a little oil and salt to taste, and that was it. Don't forget to wash your utensils as you cook so they don't overwhelm you later. Dinner was super delicious and everyone enjoyed it. I hope you get to try it too.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why.
Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Bye.